I'm going to go on to talk about the other use, the many uses we have for our ceremonial drums. Our people are able to bring in their food and tobacco offerings to address almost any need that they have. And these are the bowls of food that are usually placed on the west side of the drum. And they bring their food in. Usually we have a shkabeos, a helper that lays down the mat, and the food is placed down there by the drum. And then the people that are bringing in that tobacco that have a particular request or need, they're told to go around the drum and put their tobacco into its tobacco box and bring the remaining tobacco over to the one they have chosen to speak on their behalf. And that speaker offers up their food and tobacco, asking that individual or that family be helped with a particular issue. A lot of our people put food and tobacco for many, many reasons. I'll just list some of them that I can think of. A lot of people put food when they're going to travel, when they're going to fly out across the country for maybe conferences or whatever, asking that they have a safe journey out there and a safe return trip. And then some will put the food and tobacco for problems they may be having in the home, to bring peace and stability to the home. Maybe an individual is going to court, and they're putting the food and tobacco, asking that the court system be lenient on their relative that's going to court. Also, food and tobacco is put for a lot of our people to be helped in the workplace. Maybe they've gotten a new job and they have success at that job and enjoy their work. For those that are in prison or going to prison, they put food for them that to be taken care of. And when I was talking about this particular area about offering up food, I was talking about the importance of offering your best. Maybe blankets to go along with the food. And you can sit down and sew your blanket and spend time. Spend time working on that blanket that you're going to offer to those manidug. Sacrificing your time. You could have been out doing some foolish things or whatever. Instead, you choose to sit there and sew this blanket and offer it to those ones that we rely on to help us. Also, the food. Make sure you have meat in the food that you offer up. And it's always a good idea to offer up something that you really love, the food you love. And that sacrificing that food that you could have ate, that you really enjoyed. Instead, you choose to bring it in and offer it up to the manidug. They'll also see that and help you and take care of you. So, for people who are sick, we have a lot of bowls of food I brought in for that, but those go in a different area. Those are ones that are placed next to the drum. And we also have those that bring in bowls of food and tobacco, saying thank you for the manidug, for the help they have given them. I've had people do that went through some serious illnesses and were helped, and later they come back and just put down some food and tobacco, saying thank you for helping us. Igo yo.